Window Replacement Greenslopes. When it comes to glass repair greenslopes, Glass Repair Logan is your trusted choice. Our experienced glazier greenslopes team specializes in fast and efficient repairs for residential and commercial properties. Cracked or shattered windows? Our window replacement greenslopes service ensures your property remains secure and stylish. We also provide top-quality glass replacement greenslopes for any glass type, from doors to shower screens. With prompt service and competitive pricing, we are committed to restoring your property's safety and appearance. Contact us now for a free quote and experience our reliable service.